Yeah, we are gonna be doing some warm up because Apex Legends is out, and means that all of the pro players are trying to get some content from that to put on their channel. They need the opportunity to encounter more noobs, much like myself. Oh, this was a long room at long shot. Yeah, man, looks thick. Alright, so yeah, this is it, people. Early morning Bushnet stream. Hope me not wake anybody. Don't mind if me actually wake people still, but yeah. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so stream playback. Is anybody else seen that?
Hello?
Yo, what's up, man?
What's up? How you doing?
I'm good, man. I'm streaming right now. So you can say hi to Jamaica and the rest of the world.
What's up, stream?
Right.
What's your YouTube?
It's my username, Ubitubical, but instead of the _1, it's Ubitubical TV. Alright guys, so I think I got one chilling home to find. Just want to quickly find that, and yeah, that's pretty much it for me for Tilted. Alright, so let me see. Alright, so it should be over here. I think if it's not this one that I didn't find, it's probably the one at what kind of place again? Valhalla. Oh, see, definitely this one. Alright, here it is. Alright, so I think there are about 8 of them in total. Yo, Jinx, what's up? Is that Jinxie? Yeah, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream. Day here, early. Wait, oh, it's okay. We're here early, trying to see if we can get a stream in. I haven't been posting as consistently as I normally do, guys, as you guys realize, because of the internet. But I'm trying to see if I can get in early. See if I can get you guys some gameplay. Oh, you're on my team. Oh, Jinx, you're bloody, right?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. There's somebody here with it. Alright, that sounds like an enemy. Alright, he's probably downstairs. Hold up. We're just good in. Boy! Man just laser me. Remember that all the way into the fight. I don't think anybody goes. Nope. Come on, bro. It's lock on Stratus. You don't get away from. No, Tumbo. You won't get away from me. Alright, so basically. You had a pump. Donate it to a worthy cause, my friend. Oh, yeah. Yo, Two-Face Gaming, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Oh, look at this one, dude. Bro. Dude, look at this one youth, yo. This one YouTube only. I almost feel sorry. Sorry, yo. Don't snipe me, 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 don't snipe me. Come on. What I understand. Here. Sorry, yo. And now we have to start fucking. Everybody have their Apex Legends. I use it to get moving. Now waste it. Not wasting it. Not wasting it, youth. Getting better at this game. The rest of the world likes it or not. The rest of the world like get better at this. Missed the turn right. Damage. Alright, I almost got this though. Don't worry, I got this. Time you realize this is already too late. I'll start work on my 90s soon. Big mistake. You should have gone for the head. Last one, am I? No, Tumbo. Alright, 2 people. Let's get a like on that. GG, 11 kills. That was great. Alright, let's see if I can send you a message. I'm gonna send you an epic friend request. Alright, we can play some more. Alright. Alright, that was a nice starting to this game. Yeah. Getting warmed up. So I'm up. Alright. Ooh. Oh, got that nice link. Alright. stream at about 7:15 or so. Maybe 7:30 start. I shoot the guy on the shoot the guy for the team. Shoot the guy for the fourth person. Somehow. Yo, Urban. What's up, Ushia? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Earlier, I know I got the bad beard out. My headset's on. Got the bad head. So you don't know. Don't be crazy. Alright, so today, Wild Wild West Duos. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to attempt this Wild Wild West Duos. Just a little bit. Well, that's cam up and thing up. Yeah, help my friend. Yeah, like my brother got the cam and him not stream, so him don't need the cam. When we use the playroom sometimes, so him decide that him will just make me get the cam and go and use the cam until him stream. Until him feel like it. But like him say me realize him don't really need it, so him will just tell me about the cam. And it saves me a lot of money personally because me and I pay the shipping to send it from over there. Come down here, so since the shipping and everything I already pay for it, it just makes sense. So, like, you know, I just go and use it. So, yeah. Run up the cam. Alright, so I just wait for the guy. Did I play with a youth a while ago? I just wait for him. Outlast opponent. So, like, I just wait for the youth. I just play run it with a while ago. Alright, I look like him ready yet. Pick up another team. What the fuck? Still idling, man. What the fuck? I was going low for a while ago, but I try to get Jinxie, whenever you accept Jinx, whenever you accept the request, just send me an Fortnite request, and I'll just hop out with you and go and just send myself or something, and just hop back in. Alright, cool, so cool. Alright. So which way you up to in the morning? How you doing? It's still a Q&A, you know, so you can ask questions as well. Any questions, you know, man, for them. That's what Q&A is. Right. Oh, she had a mascot for the Der Burger. Alright, so the Tomato Temple people and the Der Burger people have been at war. So this Der Burger shop come up a little bit from where Tomato Temple is. So there's a secret war between the Tomato Temple people and the people from Der Burger. For those of you who do not know, right? So there's different wars going on in Fortnite. So the LTN food fight. Yo, what's up, Davis? I'm good, man. How you doing?
Good.
Alright. I'm alright. I'm streaming right now, so you can say hi to Jamaica and the rest of the world.
Hi.
Alright, where we going?
Doesn't matter.
Alright, cool. We can go shifty, I guess. Oh, you're the point where I gotta work. Alright, cool. Good vibes, good vibes. Alright, so I'm here with Davis Boy 20317. My teammate right now. We're about to land shifty shaft, murder some people. I mean, eliminate some opponents. But you know we all about that family friendly content when it's not after hours. What am I doing, man? What am I doing? Bandages. Get them dynamite. Oh, I'm trying to search some chests in this area too, so if you see any, just let me know.
Mhm.
Alright, I got bandages, so.
I have bandages in a med kit.
Alright, nice. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna check this house real quick. Wrong thing. No aim assist. Aim assist, look where I'm looking. You see that? You see where I'm looking? Do you see where I'm looking? What was that?
That was me, I accidentally shot.
Shifty shaft is empty. Yeah, we gotta leave this. Alright, so we don't have that far to go. Alright, so people, this is new campfire. So if you go close to it, you'll have square on my console. I think it's X if you're using the Xbox One. I think it's X, Y, A, B. Yeah, I think it's X. You'd press X, you'd ignite it, or whichever button it is that your interaction button. So there, Davis just did it a while ago. Davis, please remind me this isn't LTM, so I don't have glider redeploy because I don't want to jump off and break my ankles.
Okay.
Somebody with a hunting rifle right now. So Davis, where are you from, man?
The USA.
Ah, nice. I'm from Jamaica.
Mhm.
Is that somebody? No, it's a rock. Yeah, where in the US are you from? Which state are you from?
United States. I'm just kidding. I'm from California.
Oh, nice. Good old Cali. I don't know a lot of people in California. I have a friend from Alexandria. He does Pokemon. He used to do Pokemon Go stuff, but he doesn't anymore. I used to do Pokemon Go too once in a while, but then the internet provider and our cell company started doing some weird stuff, and they switched their data plans and stuff. Alright, I see people north, direct north. They just chopped down that big tree. Alright, I see the dude. Alright, let's see if it's him alone. Alright, there's a No, it doesn't seem that it's just him. Alright. Yeah, it does look like it's only him. Alright, let's go. Nice. There's another one on top of the hill. Looks like his team. Bam, you're done. What were you doing, man?
Here, do you want to carry these, I know them.
Alright, good job, man.
Mm.
I literally did nothing a while ago. Just shot that guy like twice, like I didn't get. Right, that's good. You walk on and roll the chip with the pun. There, pick up an early one night, early morning. Chip with the pun, you know. Alright, so the pickaxe to weapon thing. Alright, so you have a weapon, you tap it twice, 1, 2, you go back to pickaxe. 1, 2, 3, you go back to weapon. So you got the pickaxe, 1, 2, 3, go back to weapon. So if you have a weapon out, what was that? Alright, that was in divot. You wanna go in the divot, try to see if you can get some mushrooms, get some shields or something? Alright, there's a llama. You got Mickey, you said, right?
Yeah.
Alright, there's another Mickey here if you want. I'll probably just sit. Oh, Snapple, I heard that shot. Careful. Yeah, he's, probably underway. Radio shotgun, radio shotgun, radio shotgun. GG, man. That was a good run. Alright, people, let's get some GGs for David in the chat, man. David did well. Alright, David. I'm gonna send you an epic request, alright? So whenever you're ready, you can team up, alright? Alright. That was rough. Alright, so I'm gonna play one more game for now, and then I might just end the stream here because I want to start getting some work done early because we're actually leaving early today. So I want to see if I can get as much work done today as possible. So that's tomorrow. I'm gonna have to do my work. Or at least I not have as much work to do tomorrow, because I mean, like, my work never ending, because the more items get in the store, then the more work I have to do, and like I always have stuff I come in. So yeah, but you have a lot of stuff already in the store. Oh, we don't have anything. Right. Yo, Chopper, Wagwan, welcome to the stream. Take one day and knock out all of them here. One day. And by the end of this evening, we'll knock out the whole of them. I don't know where the sundial there. May forward on the next half hour. By then, I probably will go start next half hour 7:37. By then, I probably start work, or probably actually start doing work and thing. So, I might be online, but I won't play, right? I don't know if you go still there. As I say, I might online, but I probably won't play. You see me? Oh, to go lonely. I want to shift here again. Alright, David, we got incoming. Lot. Not now. Davis, careful. GG though, GG. I just logged this out for no reason. Good man. Yo, fam, y'all dead. Oh no, I'm gonna set up kind of hold on there. Let me see if I can get this thing turned on. Oh shoot, PC dead. Damn. Hold up. Let's see if I can get this thing set up. Still got this 2018 post on the back. up the chopper. Let's see if we can get this thing set up. Chopper never checking client mode, realize it never set up. Say yo, it's your boy Triple S Tom in the building. See me playing Fortnite. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Good, man. Yo, what's up? You on Twitch? Nice, I'm on YouTube. I'm actually streaming right now, bro. It's crazy.
Me too.
Yo, shout out to Cash Money TTV, by the way.
TTV, by the way. Well, what's your YouTube? I gotta subscribe real quick.
It's Ubitubical TV. So it's my username, but you should have _1 space and then TV. Alright, I see you.
Alright. Yeah, you heard. I'll do it after we kill all the people here.
Oh yeah, there's this one dude. Yeah, I see. The thing sounds same. I see you, bro.
Dang, let's keep going. Sorry,
Really, Jim?
Oh my god, this dude's so low.
Yo, where'd this dude go? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Yo, I'm on my way, man. Damn, bro, you crawled. You crawled far, yo.
Oh my god, why does everybody always build right when they're about dead?
Yeah, I'm on my way, man. Where these dudes at?
Oh, there's one like right over here somewhere.
Oh, I see one on top of the
Oh, yeah, right
fence.
here.
Yeah, I see him. Hold up. I'm gonna try to push him out.
Got enough ammo for everything.
Nice.
I have to grab ammo.
Oh, there's one on
sorry.
top of the hill. One on top of the hill. Behind us, south. Knocked him. Nice.
One on top of the hill.
Alright, I'm going for him.
Got him.
I'd have missed you by a second, bro. I'd have missed you by. Oh,
There's still no future.
oh, Snapper. There's another one up there. Across the across where the factory is. Yeah, he's standing. He's behind that purple container. Yeah, that's him right there. Look at this dude. Man, I'd have chopped him down. Nice. Alright, I'm on 40, so. Yeah, I'm over in this side. Oh, dude, there's one on top of the mountain, west 287.
I'm gonna try to get you anyways.
Yeah, alright. Victoria, you can get. Yeah, he's on top of the mountain. Oh, he's behind you, Victoria. Behind you, Victoria. I ain't got no
Jesus Christ, I have so many kills already.
Are you on 6? I'm on 3.
I'm gonna sub to you real quick. What was it again? YouTubical.
Yeah, you be typical.
You.
YOUBITUBICAL.
Okay. Then what? Just YouTubical.
Typical, and then space and TV.
I see you with the 577 subs. Okay.
Yeah,
That 578.
Nice, thanks, bro. I'm trying to get to 1,000.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm trying to get to 1,000. Oh, this year. So what's up, man? That's the aim for this year. To get to 1,000, get monetized. Start doing some more giveaways.
Yeah, please.
Like, I'm trying to see if I can help smaller YouTubers to get over. So I do promote.
Yo, we need some shield.
Yeah, we need some shit. I mean, I need some heals. I saw some bandages somewhere. I don't remember where I saw them though.
Oh, I'll grab them. Here, I got you. Come there.
Alright, I'm on my way.
Need some mats.
That would never work. Alright, get out of here.
I think this building's unloaded. I'm gonna head to it real quick.
Let's set up my coin system real quick. Let's see if I can set up this coin system real quick. Hold up, people.
Oh, man, I got a big shield, so we're good.
Alright, I'm on my way.
For that Victoria person, there's a med kit in here.
Very nice. Tilted sounds empty. Like 10 minutes left to stream. After that, I'm happy now. See if I could get some work.
Or even EP from Tilted.
I hear people.
You do?
Yeah, Northwest 312. They're on top of the hill.
Alright, I'm gonna get this chest right real quick.
We're going for him.
It's on top of the hill.
Yeah, we're going for him.
Which direction did you say? Over here?
Northwest 320.
Alright. I seen some building up there.
Yeah, that's where they are. I'm gonna drink this bread real quick.
Alright, they're coming down. Looks like. I don't know, we might need to go circle. No, we got
I'm looking for a see him. I don't see him though.
They just went over top of this hill, I just seen them.
Alright, I'm on Where these shots coming from?
I got one over here. I'm fixing to stop one. Knocked another one.
Yeah, my shots are going.
Full killed him. Only 2 of us are gonna be able to make it out of here. Oh wait, what? The scissors are caught there. I got 15 bandages.
Oh, I think Victoria's trying to show you that you got mini.
Oh. I was wondering what the fuck she was doing. Or he. Oh, I got a launch pad.
Oh, nice. Alright, I'll start building.
I'm gonna build up from. Alright, I'll go behind you.
Oh snap, I'm out of mats.
Alright, I got you. Oh, there's people on top of that mountain. I'm gonna try to go down here again. So I can heal.
I see
Oh,
their-
he's sitting still. We
yeah,
should have went up there.
I see their teammates pushing up that hill too. I think I see a campfire.
Oh, this place is unloaded.
Yeah, I realized. Alright, just got a campfire. Could probably pop.
Oh, it's got a chug. That's my luck. Land here and get a chug.
Alright, they got.
Dang, I got 9 kills. What the fuck?
I'm just here sitting pretty and pretty, man.
I'm gonna try to snipe one.
Are you pushing?
Oh, he moved out of the way.
What time is it? 7:24. Nice, pretty early.
Oh my god, no, I'm an animal.
I hit him for 33. Careful, Victoria. Whoa! Where did that come from? Oh, we're being shot at from behind.
Hit him for 30 and 31.
Nice.
13 kills, we like that.
Y'all push the wrong team, motherfuckers. Yo, there's a heavy here if you want it, man.
A heavy what?
Reach work, I know. Alright. Push, yeah, you can see the team stuff. Yo, I should have gotten that grenade launch though. Sounds like I'm being pushed.
Yeah, he landed on top of the mountain. There's still 11 people left in this tiny of a circle. That's insane. Knocked one on top of the mountain.
Nice.
Tagged one on top of the mountain.
Oh, cash money going from.
Coming off the mountain over here, I think.
Yeah, I hear it. Got this for you. GG!
GG, boys.
Oh my god, man. That was amazing.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, people, we get the GGs in the chat. Atumbo's dead, yo.
This is why you go sub to Cash Money.
Yo, that's your Twitch TV? I'm gonna have to set up my Twitch, yo.
Alright.
Yo, that was crazy though, people. Yo, GG's in the chat, yo.
That was insane.
Alright, I sent you an epic request, so
Alright.
we can play, because I'm gonna be on later on too. Alright, Victoria, that was crazy, yo. Alright, so it's 2 subs for today. And 1 victory royale. Got 2 challenges out the way, I think. And 7:31, so it's good time. I think I should start working right now. Nice. Let's go, Tumbo. Are we playing squads or are we playing duos?
It's up to you, it doesn't matter.
Alright, Victoria's here, so I'll play trios. Yeah, come on, do it. Triple S stomp, we do it. Hey, we got Cash Money, Twitch TV, Victorious, yes. 20 in the building.
Oh, okay.
When we see we coming, everybody know that we the best, and we be coming from Jamaica. See we coming and we coming safer. We got them guns, they tall like skyscrapers. They don't know the flow that I'm bringing. They don't know the flow that I'm playing. They don't know the things that we do when we come in and we zipping everybody. See we coming, we be popping all the bottles, we be chilling with these models, we got this thing and we be streaming on the TV. Everybody know it. Hey, Triple S Storm, give it typical TV. That's acapella racking with
Jesus.
nigga.
Boom!
Man, I'm so out of practice. Yo, David, we're going. Yo, this contamination come back. No, not yet. But sometimes if you pick, like any of the LTM, it glitches and you see discontamination come up first. Because I think the reason why is probably because they use the source code from, they use the code from discontamination. They use the code from discontamination for some of them.
Jesus, that's not reversal 17.
So, alright, nigga.
I think I pulled something in my leg. Pretty sure I pulled something in my leg.
Man, you bite your tongue. No, I don't bite my tongue, you. But my out of practice bad though. Loading screen number 7.
People are gonna have me so stressed out, my legs fucking cramping.
Yo, this is my last game, people. After the summer hop on.
Alright.
Whoa, we got the whole bus here, the whole battle bus.
For real? Is there a lot of people here? Oh yeah, there is.
Shotgun.
Oh, what is it camping? Wow. Victoria, right here. Behind you. Got it.
It took 3 people to kill me. Yo, I took was crazy, yo.
Do what?
Oh no, that's a word, that's a pronoun I use. So like I don't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know, occasionally people use certain words like because we're Jamaicans, like, so like everybody calls everybody nigga. Everybody.
Yeah.
Whether you're white, black, brown, red, it doesn't matter. Some dudes using campfire over there. I like the new update though. It makes you know when people are using campfire. Yeah, so like, I don't use them. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you were alone, man.
He's gonna full kill. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, GG though. Alright, people, if you're on Twitch, go follow Fresh Money on Twitch. Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, you guys will check him out, man. Amazing player, really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel, which counts for a lot. So,
I'll subscribe.
Yeah, go check out his channel, people. I'm gonna check him out in a bit. My subscription is Triple S Storm. Soon as I get up and running, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time we drop a video or go live with a lot of people. We're gonna be playing a lot of random squads nowadays, people. So thank you guys for stopping by. Triple S Storm, guys, and see you guys in another video or live stream. Take care of yourself, people. Alright.
See you, YouTube.
Alright, Joshua, man. We take care, bro.
You too.